In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks pressure washer. We have featured model GPW2200. However, this guide can also be followed for the model GPW2300. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Finish removing the packing material. Do not rest the unit on the pump assembly. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the wheels. Insert the axle through the hole in the center of the wheel. Slide the axle into the wheel mounting hole. Place a washer on the axle and secure it with the cotter pin. Repeat on the opposite side and return the unit to the upright position. Assembling the upper panel. Align the screw sleeves on the upper panel with the screw holes on the handle frame. Insert the coarse threaded screws through each of the holes on the back of the handle. Tighten each screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the spray gun holder. Align the screw sleeves of the spray gun holder with the screw holes on the left side of the handle. Insert a screw through each of the holes on the gun holder and tighten it using the Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the handle. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle arms. Push and hold the lock buttons on the back of the handle and slide the upper handle into the lower handle until the lock buttons click into place. Installing the power cord storage arms. Align the cord arm basement with the threaded insert on the upper handle. Place the power cord storage arm onto the base facing upward. With the washer on the screw, thread the screw through the cord arm assembly and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat on the lower arm and direct the hook downward. Wrap the power cord around the hooks. Installing the hose hook. Insert the ends of the hose hook into the back of the upper panel assembly. Push the bottom of the hose hook into the clips below. Cut the ties on the hose and hang it on the hook. Installing the wand. If your wand came with a protective cover on one end, this must be removed. Push the threaded side of the wand into the end of the spray gun and screw it on until secure. Place the gun into the gun holder. Turbo nozzle. Unpack the nozzle and install it in the remaining rubber grommet on the upper panel. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.